buddy. It's okay, I got you. I got you.
Oh, there he goes again.
You gotta come to me. Little dude. Little dude. Oh, I'm trying to save you. One of these things close enough, I can probably grab it. Oh, okay, I got you. Oh, I got you. Oh, it's okay. Oh, I got him. Okay, I got him. I'm just gonna get down.
Okay.
There. Okay, I got it.
Okay.
We saved him. Oh, he's so tired. Oh my gosh. He's so tired.
Poor baby.
Oh, he's so tired. Wouldn't that look so good on my arm? See?
Yeah, there you go, dude. That's that's it.
Oh, love. It's okay.
It's probably a little bit in shock right now.
It is. It is. It's still breathing, still moving though. It's okay, love. It's okay. It's alright, my love.
Oh, man. It's good when there's some spider webs all up in there, too.
Well, the thing is that, see that? It's all covered with spider webs.
Yeah.
It flew into it.
Oh, no.
Yeah. Are you okay, love? It's alright. Did it damage your wing at all?
Might be able to put it on an edge and see what happens.
We kiss you, little beak.
Juicy bird.
Okay, come on. Move around. Wings around. That's good. Oh. He says, whoa. Whoa.
Almost ready for takeoff.
Oh, there he goes. All
Or did
right.
he poop too right before taking off? No, he pooped out that way. It was the love poop.